Ever felt like you are one small push away from breaking, but you don't even know why? These films find that place inside you. Welcome to Contrary Culture. Today, 6 films that don't ask for tears, they earn them.
Together.
Marriage Story isn't a film about divorce. It's a film about two people trying to navigate love while letting go of the life they built. The movie doesn't ask you to choose a side. It just places you in the room with them, in the arguments, in the silences, in the moments where love turns into something unrecognizable but still present. By the end, you understand love doesn't always disappear. Sometimes it just changes shape into something the relationship can't hold anymore. Blue Valentine doesn't hurt fast, it hurts in slow motion. It shows love the way it actually collapses, not with dramatic fights, but with small wounds, quiet disappointments, and moments both people pretend aren't happening. The film cuts between who they were and who they have become, and the contrast is brutal because it feels too real, like you are watching a private memory you weren't supposed to see. Maybe that's why it stays with you, because almost everyone has lived some version of this story, just more quietly. Manchester by the Sea understands something most films avoid. Grief isn't cinematic, it's quite heavy and often has no resolution. This film doesn't try to solve it, it just follows a man who carries a tragedy so deep that moving on isn't an option. And the honesty of that is what makes it hurt so much. There's no big transformation, no sudden redemption, no dramatic speech, just a man doing the only thing he can, existing one day at a time with the weight he knows will never leave. And that's what makes this movie unforgettable, because it admits a truth most stories won't. Not everyone heals, and that doesn't make them any less human. Grave of the Fireflies doesn't make you cry because it wants to. It makes you cry because it refuses to lie. It shows war the way children experience it, not through battles or politics, but through hunger, confusion, and the desperate hope that someone will save you. It follows a boy trying to protect his little sister in a world that has already stopped protecting them. Their love isn't dramatized, it's small, everyday moments that become heartbreaking. Nothing here is exaggerated, nothing is sentimental. Innocence is the first thing war destroys, and these two children never had a chance to understand why. October is one of those rare films that doesn't try to move you. It just observes you patiently until you start feeling things you didn't expect. It's a story about a love that never announces itself, a love that doesn't demand, doesn't perform. It simply exists quietly, shaping two people who can't even explain it. Shujit Sarkar tells the story with almost no melodrama, just silence, small gestures, and moments that feel borrowed from real life. And Varun Dhawan gives the most vulnerable performance of his career, not by doing more, but by holding back, by being honest. That's why the film lingers, because October isn't about romance, it's about the kind of care that changes you, even when no one calls it love. Capernaum begins with a question almost too heavy for a child to ask. A boy suing his parents for bringing him into a life they couldn't protect him from. That premise alone tells you what kind of world he lives in. But watching it feels like being pulled through layers of anger, exhaustion, and empathy all at once. The film doesn't romanticize poverty or turn suffering into spectacle. It follows Zan with an honesty that's almost uncomfortable. How he survives, how he protects the people smaller than him, and how he understands responsibility long before he ever gets a childhood. Nadine Labaki doesn't ask you to pity him, she asks you to listen. And in the spaces between his anger and his resilience, you understand exactly why a child would take the world to court. If a film can break you, it means it reached something real. Which one hit you the hardest? Comment below.